What it do, great kings and queens? In today's video, man, I'm just gonna tell y'all where I've been. There you go. Welcome back. If you've been here before, welcome to it. It's your first time here. My name is EJ, and it's been a while since y'all seen me behind the desk, like in a legit location, right? And you see my setup was a little different, right? So today's video, man, if you guys are your first time here, like I said, welcome here. For you guys who've been there before, you guys understand that I haven't talked in a while about getting a new office and everything like that. So that's partially where I've been. So I'll get into that first. Before I get into that, though, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you guys know when I drop my next video, which will be probably right after this video. I probably still have the same outfit. But yeah. So where I've been. Well, first thing first, I got real busy because I started back up in the gym. If you guys follow here, family channel here, you'll see I also dropped a little bit of clips there about my workout journey.
Spartans! What is your profession?
Legs stay deadly.
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained?
I'm trying to drop about 80 pounds by the end of this year, and I was on a good little roll. I'll get into why until just a second, but yeah, I started. I'm an affiliate now for Metabolic Nutrition. Got a link in the description here if you guys want to get their products. Best products you can get on the market, man. They literally do everything in house. They don't get like super famous athletes to represent their brand, pay all that. The people who represent the brand are us. We are the representatives. So we get out there, we put our videos out, we show our progress and stuff like that. So if you guys just hashtag Metabolic Nutrition, you'll find everything. And like I said, I got a link in the description on there too. I've also made a brand new fitness TikTok page and a brand new fitness Instagram page. From back in the day, I was all about Solo Physique, so I remade Solo Physique. First time I lost about 75 pounds in about 8 months. So I made a page, I wanted to be a personal trainer and all that stuff. So I'm back on that again, but I just made brand new pages. All that stuff will be in the description. So I've been pretty busy with that. I was going from 3 days a week for the first month, just to get my body back into it, and then 4 days a week, and then 5 days a week. And then this happened. So I had to, make some flights, to come check out some places to get a job and everything like that. So now we're in a new place. Be fun, y'all. Crazy house, don't know what we doing. Yeah, except me, of course, Of course, I know how to do everything. I'm best at every sport that I play in, so it ain't that new to me, you know what I'm saying? Now I'm worried about my camera getting hit. Shelly is dying, y'all. Yo, that was kind of cool. We got him a badminton. Yeah, see my new setup here. I've been working hard on it. It's not done yet. We got a few more things to do with my setup here. But yeah, it's been a busy last 2-3 months. Yes, I haven't really had much time to do this stuff. I've been kind of off my grind with this, with the YouTube videos and photography and things like that. So I'm gonna be trying to slowly get back into the swing of things here. I'm still trying to get back into the gym. Like I said, it's been really busy. Just now, things are trying to slow down to get back into lower things again. So I'm gonna be busy again, but I'm still gonna be trying to make videos like this. Again, thank you guys so much for everybody who's been in the comment section, who's been watching the videos and sharing the videos. Appreciate you guys so much. I gotta give you guys update videos of what's going on with my credit. Yeah, I got a lot to catch you guys up on, but yeah, again, thank you guys so much. We well past 1,000 subs now. We still gotta get the watch hours up, but we're on a roll right now. So thank you guys. I can't thank you guys enough. Once we get there, I still owe you guys a 1,000 subscriber video too. We're working on that. I don't know if we're gonna be something spicy or something nice, but we're gonna figure out something. All right. So if you guys have any questions, anything like that, feel free to drop them in the comment section. So I apologize for my absence, but I'm still in the comment section. Everybody that comments, I come back to them. So people go down and check it. I comment on everything, or I like it at least. I do something. But yeah.
Storybox Audio.
Things are trying to get back on track now. Welcome to the new Essential Digital Media office. Catch you guys in the next video, man. Until next time. Well, it's not crazy. Get your credit score.
Storybox Audio.
This has been Essential Digital Media Production. Until next time, catch you guys in the next one.